we will solve NCERT numerical problems of class 10th, chapter 10. An object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from a converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. So in order to find the position of the image, we will find V. So it is given that the height of the object is 5 cm, which is taken to be positive. Object distance is 25 cm, which is negative, and focal length of a converging lens, that is convex lens, is positive, that is 10 cm. Now the lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. When we put the value of U and F, then our V will come out to be 50 upon 3, that is 16.66 centimeter. Here V is positive. It means the image will be formed on other side of the lens. Now in order to find the size, we have to find out magnification. Magnification of a lens is given by V upon U. So put the value of V and U, and this V upon U is equal to H2 upon H1, because M is also equal to size of image to the size of object. So on solving, we will find that H2 will come out to be minus 10 by 3, that is minus 3.3 centimeter, and H2 is negative, that is height of the image is negative. It means it is inverted. Image formed will be inverted. So image formed at 60.66 centimeter on other side of the lens, it will be real. Since H2 is negative, it means it is inverted, so inverted image is a real image. Size of the image is 3.3 centimeter, and inverted image will be formed. So we have to draw the ray diagram. So this is our lens, principal axis. An object is placed at 25 centimeter. When a ray is incident parallel, it will pass through the focus, and ray which is passed through apical center will go straight, and where these two rays meet after refraction, the image will be formed at that point. So image will be inverted, and rays are actually passing through this point, so it will be real. This is your object distance 25 centimeter. Image will be formed at 16.66 centimeter. Height of the object is 5 centimeter, and that of image is 3.3 centimeter. Next question is, a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram. So it is given that focal length is 15 centimeter. Since the lens is concave lens, so we know that the focal length of a concave lens is negative. So F is minus 15 centimeter, and image is formed at 10 centimeter from the lens. So we know that concave lens forms virtual image, direct image, and on the same side as that of the object. So V will be negative. So using lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, when we put the value of F and V, then U will come out to be minus 30 centimeter. Now U is negative. It indicates that the object is placed in front of the convex, in front of the concave lens. This is your concave lens, principal axis. So object is at here. This is your object. Now when a ray is incident parallel, it is diverged by the lens. When we extend it geometrically, it will pass through the focus, and if ray is passing through the optical center of the lens, it will go straight. So these rays do not intersect each other after refraction, but when we extend them geometrically, when we extend this ray geometrically, they will intersect at this point. So image will be formed at here. Now here U is negative because we measure distance from optical center. Incident ray is along this direction and distance is measured from the optical center against the incident ray, so it will be negative. So U is minus 30 centimeter. Next question is, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image. So here U is given 10 centimeter, object distance is taken negative. Our mirror is convex mirror. Convex mirror is like this, painted on this side. So object is at here, which is at a distance of 10 centimeter. From the mirror, so that's why it is taken negative. Using mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. When we put the value of U and F, the B will come out to be 6 centimeter. So V is positive. It means the image will be formed on the other side of the mirror, on this side, because incident ray will be along this direction. So V will be positive if the object, if the image lies on other side of the mirror, along this side. So image will be formed 6 centimeter behind the mirror. It is virtual and erect image, because when ray is incident parallel, it will be diverged by the mirror. If a ray is incident like this, it will be reflected back with the same angle. So they do not intersect after reflection. They will intersect only when we extend them geometrically. The image will be formed at here, and rays are not actually passing through this point. That's why the image is virtual and erect. Next question is, the magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What does this mean? So we know that magnification is equal to size of image to the size of object. So +1 indicates that M is equal to 1. And we know that M equal to H2 upon H1. This implies H2 upon H1 equal to 1. That is H2 equal to H1. It means size of image is equal to size of object. So magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1, which means that size of image formed is exactly equal to the size of object behind the mirror. Now next question is, an object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. So here mirror is convex mirror. Height of the object is 5 centimeter. Object distance is given to be 20 centimeter and it will be taken negative. Radius of curvature is 30 centimeter, so focal length is half of radius of curvature. So focal length is equal to 15 centimeter. So using mirror formula, when we put the value of u and f, the b will come out to be 60 upon 7. Now we have to find the nature and size also. Now v is positive, it means the image will be formed on either side of the mirror, that is behind the mirror. We know that for mirror m equal to minus b upon u. So put the value of v and u. So m is equal to 3 upon 7 and m is equal to h2 upon h1. So when we put the value of h1, h2 will come out to be 15 upon 7. It is positive. It means image will be formed above the principal axis. So convex mirror will form virtual and erect image behind the mirror. Next question is, an object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and the nature of the image. So height of the object is 7 centimeter. Object distance is 27 centimeter and object distance is taken to be negative, and the mirror is concave mirror. Concave mirror is like this. So its focus will be at here. So using sign convention, all the distance is measured from the pole of the mirror. So this distance will be taken negative. That's why f is negative. Now using mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, when we put the value of u and f, the v will come out to be negative, minus 54. Now in case of concave mirror, v is negative. Negative means distance will be negative on this side. So it means image will be formed on this side, on the same side as that of the object. It means the screen must be placed at a distance of 54 centimeter from the mirror in front of it. Now we have to find the size. So in order to find the size, find the magnification m equal to minus b upon u for mirror. Put the value of v and u, we will get m equal to minus 2. So m is equal to h2 upon h1. When we put the value of m and h1, h2 will come out to be minus 14 centimeter. So h2 is negative, it means the image formed will be inverted image. So the image is 14 centimeter in length and is inverted image. Now next question is, find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2 diopter. What type of lens is this? So we know that power is equal to 1 by f. Power is negative. It means when we put the value of p equal to minus 2, f will come out to be negative 0.5 meter, that is minus 50 centimeter. Focal length is negative. So negative focal length is negative for a concave lens. So our lens will be concave lens. Next question. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? So power is equal to 1 by f, p equal to plus 1.5. So f is 1 upon 1.5. So f, then we convert it into centimeter. It will come out to be 66.6 centimeter. And f is positive. And the positive focal length is of convex lens, converging lens. So power of a lens is positive, the lens is converging lens. If power is negative, lens is concave lens. If power is positive, the lens will be convex lens. So please like and subscribe for latest videos. Thank you.